AI agents are not just tools anymore. They're becoming actual roles inside companies. And right now, businesses are actively using them to automate work, reduce costs, and scale faster. Here are 6 AI agent jobs companies need today. The most common AI agent job is customer support. Instead of hiring large teams, companies use AI agents to answer questions, handle tickets, and support customers 24/7. Fast, consistent, and scalable. AI sales agents talk to leads, qualify them, and even guide them through buying decisions. They can follow up instantly and never miss an opportunity. This directly increases revenue. Marketing agents create content, run campaigns, and analyze performance. From writing posts to optimizing ads, they automate a big part of marketing workflows. AI agents can analyze huge amounts of data and turn it into insights. Instead of dashboards, they give you answers. What's working, what's not, and what to do next. Operations agents automate internal processes. From scheduling to workflow management, they reduce manual work and keep everything running smoothly. In cybersecurity, AI agents can monitor systems, detect threats, and respond instantly. They don't sleep, and they react faster than humans. This makes them critical for modern security. And this is just the beginning. As AI improves, more roles will be replaced or transformed by agents. Companies that adopt early will move faster than everyone else. If you want to stay ahead in this space, you need to understand how AI agents work and how to use them. Subscribe for more.